Right, so here I have the Lego City Bulldozer. This regularly retails for $64.99. I actually bought it for $42.99 over at Nebraska Furniture Mart, so it's quite a bit off. And I really appreciate that. I really like this one. It comes with 682 pieces, 8+ set. This is set number 60466. Comes with 3 minifigures and the Bulldozer here. I don't know if it looks like it comes with a sign as well. But for what I paid for it, I think it was a great deal. Man, look at this thing. It looks awesome. It's like it can rake stuff. There's gears in here that help it work. It looks really good. I'm excited to build it and put it next to the excavator. But yeah, let's crack this thing open and see what we got inside. Man, I should buy 2 of these. I think this is a great buy. Look, Nebraska Furniture Mart does have an issue where they do accidentally cut off pieces. This piece is cut off. This tab right here is not over here. So it looks like they accidentally cut it off, or it wasn't on. But, oh, no, it's over here actually. Never mind, I was wrong. I ripped it off. But there was a box that was cut because they just, when they cut the sides of the boxes. They don't cut on top where the tape is. And even if they do, they don't worry too much about the contents inside. And so that's kind of disappointing. But it comes with 6 bags, looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pretty big booklet. There's a hefty booklet here. Let's see what we got in the back here. Anything for, oh, here it is. Here's the city stuff from this year. Looks like there's a cop car, garage here, a boat. This one actually looks pretty good too. This crane. The plane looks all right, but the excavator, man, this is the one. It's like the only city set that I've gotten this year. But let's get building. Alright, so here I have the setup built up, and it's really awesome. This whole set looks awesome. I'll give you a 360 of it. That's how it looks like from the tail end. I pushed it a little further back there just because I wanted to put the stuff that it's actually pushing around right up in front here. It's a cool bulldozer. That's how it looks. Yeah, it was a really fun build. These links took forever. The tread links right here took forever. But this has got no stickers, which is great. No stickers for this, no stickers for that, which they could have done stickers, but I'm assuming they're trying to sell a lot of these, and they might be trying to utilize this print for later sets. But yeah, man, this is a great set. For what I paid for it, it's definitely worth it. Even at the $64.99 range, I think it's pretty worth it. I'm gonna push that forward a little bit as it bulldozes. But yeah, we'll take a look at the exterior, the rear again. There's the rear. Great set. I think this is definitely worth it. I like the way this is built up. We'll take a look at some of the features within the bulldozer in just a second. But yeah, it comes with 3 minifigures, a sign, some bricks right here, some bricks and some dirt and some rubble here to kind of show that. But it's built up really nicely here. And then these are just to kind of like level out what you're plowing. Anyway, let's take a look at the excavator itself. All right, here's the excavator. The excavator can be driven by one of the 3 guys, 3 figures here. But they, in the picture, they have this woman doing it. She is the one that's in the cockpit, and the way you access that is you just pull right here, and ideally you want to be able to, so it's connected right here with these 2 studs, so you want to be able to lift up the window with that as well, just because that other piece is connected with all 4 studs, and so it's a stronger connection point. The weaker one is the one that's at the bottom here. So you put it in here, and the controls right here. She's got some controls right there. Plug in the top here, plug that in. Looks awesome. Now, there's a few different functions. Obviously, you want to be able to raise it, and with that, there's these systems right here that raise it up. Doesn't raise high, but it raises it enough that there's a clearing for you to be able to drive around without the bulldozer down. So it goes down like that, and then it goes all the way to the floor here, all the way to the ground. And then when you're not bulldozing, you just lift it up like so. As well as the rear. You can put this down. You could even go further and have it plowing into the ground. You see? You see it goes even further. So it goes up, and it goes even past the treads here. Those are the 2 functions there. Also, when you drive, there is an engine inside here, and if you push this tread right here, you can see the engine inside going. You can see the engine inside going, and it's pushing these little things, and you can barely see it, but it's enough, I guess, that they wanted to include that within the build, where you can see the engine turning inside of the excavator there. But yeah, great stuff. I'm not sure if you should be able to access this. Okay, so this is has held on by only 2 studs. So you can kind of see, it when it's getting pushed. When you're driving this thing, you can see the those yellow pieces going up and down. So that's cool. You put this back up. But yeah, that's the excavator. Let's take a look at those minifigures. All right, here's the driver. I like the overalls that she's got there. That's how she looks. She doesn't have an alternate face, which is kind of disappointing. For $64.99, 3 figures, she should have an alternate face. But that's how her torso looks. All of the torsos here are different. And so, she looks really good. I like the fact that she's got this helmet hair piece here. I think it's come in a few different sets before already, but... and I've gotten it before too, so... But yeah, I like that that's included. Alright. Here is the... one of the other guys. It looks like he's like... one of the managers of the project, whatever his name is. I don't know his name, but he's got a nice mustache there. He's got a helmet hair piece here as well. He's got the back hair right here. And then he's got an alternate face. One where he's kind of surprised. And a regular face. He also comes with this belt right here. That's included. It actually comes with 2, so I could put this on one of the other workers as well. So, and he's got a walkie-talkie as an accessory here. But yeah, that's that guy. Lastly, we have this guy. No alternate face for this guy because doesn't have the hairpiece that covers the back of his head. So it would be weird to have another face on the back there. But he's got a nice jacket to what's it called? A construction jacket that lets people know he's there. Nice construction hat. He's got knee pads there, same as the girl, same as the driver. He's got a wrench. The girl has the same jacket underneath her overalls, and so that's a good detail there. But yeah, those are the minifigures. That was a set. This is a good set. I really like it. I like the fact that there's, you know what? Let's take a look at that Bulldozer again, just really quick. Alright, so the excavator it's really nice. I just want to show you some of the play features here. As you can see, I'm gonna lift it up, and that's when you're not bulldozing something, and then when you are pushing something. It also includes 2 places that you could stand on each side here, and a bar that you could pull yourself up onto. So you can climb up here, climb up on the bar, and get in there. So the detailings of that is really nice. The back here, it does have 2 little handles for the tools, a wrench and the walkie-talkie. And so that's really great. But just wanted to show you guys pushing it around a little bit so you guys can see kind of the play features that it has. And then when you're not, you can kind of pull it up. This side, it doesn't make the interior stuff go up and down, the engine. But that's the excavator. Well, that's the video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys again on the next one.